The iNet control platform provides powerful and easy-to-use diagnostic tools that enable the user to identify problems quickly and confidently, and proactively replace and repair instruments when needed. Our video today will guide you through the Quick Links panel, an array of tools at your disposal that ensures you can effectively diagnose and address common problems encountered, such as bump test and calibration failures in older gas detection instruments. To view the instrument page, simply log into iNet Control and search the serial number of the instrument you would like to diagnose in the top right corner. Here on the instrument page, the Quick Links section is shown here. The most common issue with older gas detection instruments is a bump test failure or a calibration failure. If an instrument has failed a bump test or calibration, the calibration and bump test pages provide insight into past calibrations, including failure reasons and certificates. The calibration history will show all times the instrument has been calibrated in the chosen time period, along with the reason for calibration, the failure reason, if any, as well as the certificate that can be generated. The same is true of the bump test history page. If the instruments show multiple failed or bump calibration tests, it is most likely an issue with the sensor and should be replaced to maintain proper functionality. However, forcing a bump test or calibration may result in a passed sensor. If the instrument passes bump tests and calibrations but does not show all equipped sensors, looking into the component history may be of use. The component history page displays a list of all components the instrument has been equipped with throughout its life, including sensors that have been removed and what positions they are installed in. This page may be useful in determining whether an instrument sensor has been removed or is damaged without opening the instrument. A damaged sensor or PCB may show up as a component being removed and replaced multiple times. This would mean the component would need to be replaced. As you can see here, the wireless module was removed and reinstalled, indicating there may have been a removal or issue with the lens module. Finally, the usage and settings alert history page can show when bump tests and calibration tests are missed, along with when troubleshooting is required. If available, clicking on the event details in the event column will bring up the results of a calibration or bump test. Failures such as a timeout are most likely due to issues with the docking station, such as restricted tubing or improper mounting, and a calibration or bump test should be forced to confirm. And there you have it. The Quick Links section is available to you through iNet Control and can be a valuable tool when diagnosing problems with instruments and determining the steps needed to restore your instrument to full capacity. To learn more about how to get the most out of the iNet Control platform, contact your local AirMet scientific office on 1-800-000-744.